Yo, what up, y'all? Back again. Part 2 of our Carolina Reaper challenge. So the first one, I did a raw Carolina Reaper. It was really, really bad. Probably more so for like the body more than it was the heat of in my mouth. No, I didn't pay for it later. It wasn't that bad in that aspect. But so my part 2 is going to be a dried Carolina Reaper. As you can see, I have a full Carolina Reaper up front, and in the back I have a smaller one, and Landon is going to try it. Again, I am taking all risks here, just so you're tracking. The way that you feel within this challenge is your mouth is going to be obviously on fire, but then your body's going to start tingling, and it's almost going to feel like it's like you're having an anxiety attack, like your heart is like beating out of your chest. It's going to stop. You're not going to die. All right, but again, I am his parent, and I am allowing him to do this. So basically, the reason behind this challenge is because a lot of people say that the raw pepper is hotter than the dried pepper, and then other people say that the dried pepper is actually hotter than the actual raw pepper. So I'm about to test that theory. Still scared because of the first. The first wave was pretty bad. It was hot, and then the different levels, it started hitting my body, started making me shake, stuff like that. So I'm still really nervous about it, but of course, your guys' reactions are awesome. And before we start this challenge, like and share on Facebook, please. Do me a solid, do us a solid, and go to our YouTube channel. It's just Kevin Rod. Like, subscribe, help us out. So again, right before we start this, I just want to thank Ryan Holinski and Tony Holinski for these. We're gonna knock these out, and then my wife has actually got some salsa brewing right now with the Carolina Reaper inside of it, and it's pretty hot. So without further ado, ready? Mm-hmm. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Go. I have to go.
Whoa.
It's hotter, huh?
Initially, it's just like.
It's just.
Oh, wow.
Landon, you good?
There's really nothing else to chew up.
Because it's like.
It's like. That's it.
Papa's eating. Papa, I go.
Are you really?
I let it throw up already.
Papa.
Piper, no, it's
Hold
okay.
on.
Hold on. Hold on, Piper.
Okay.
That sucker's hot.
Papa.
Okay, I have the timer set too for the 10 minutes.
Papa. Papa.
Is it milk?
Hold on, Piper, hold on.
I got this one.
You got it? You think you got it?
No more.
All right, this one, definitely hotter in the mouth. I did chew it up for 30 seconds, though.
Crying.
Yeah! Got a good reaction out of him. It's really hot in the mouth. Very hot in the mouth. Stuck in my teeth, so...
I need something to drink.
Go.
Wait, what?
I don't know, something to drink. Like it's burning my eyes. Come on.
Because you touched your eyes.
You good?
Papa.
You want some milk?
You want milk? I'll get you milk.
We have milk?
Yeah,
Let's go.
We have milk? Oh, no!
Come on.
Papa.
Don't touch your face anymore.
It's not quick enough. Come on.
It's hot. Definitely hot. Not really doing the whole...
My face is so hot.
The body thing. But this...
Go.
In your mouth?
I can't even control my tears.
Really, really hot.
Shrink.
So
in the
it's
mouth.
better that we dehydrate it from the
Shrink
salsa.
down.
Spicy
Yeah.
in your mouth.
Shrink. Shrink.
Piper, wait. He doesn't want it yet. Wait, okay?
Papa.
It's really hot.
I didn't even have the seeds. I had the skin.
Props, I couldn't do that. Sally said.
Daddy.
Hold on.
Whoa. How much time do I have left?
Papa.
I can't feel my mouth.
He gone? He gone.
Minute.
Oh, wow, I still got 7 minutes left.
That's bad.
He running back and forth.
Daddy.
You drank it all?
Daddy.
It's hot water.
Papa.
Holy moly, it's hot.
Daddy.
Oh my god.
Papa.
Hold on.
Yeah.
I'm crying now. That's Layla. Oh man.
Jason.
Where's the bark bucket thing?
Elena took it outside.
No. Wait.
Alright, now it's starting to do the body thing.
I finally got ice burning.
Oh man, we need a second camera for this kid.
Get up in my eye.
Baby, you need to get a video for this kid. Oh man, this is awesome. Alright, I'm gonna take you over to Landon. Good lord.
Excuse my
bad.
messy kitchen. I was doing salsa.
You good, man?
It's getting better now.
It's getting better now.
Turn the water off, son.
I'm still hurting pretty good.
I know.
I'm good now.
Oh
It
man.
like crashed.
I didn't mean to reply to Sally with Kelsey.
Oh good lord. I'm trying to hang in there. This is like super duper hot. Yeah. Oh man.
I bet you when you drink milk, it's gonna
My
start
ears are
again.
tingling now. There's the God.
Come here, Piper.
My cheerleader is helping me out.
No.
Here, sit right here.
No.
Look.
This tingling sensation is getting bad.
Look
My
at
face
Landon.
is
Look
getting
at
super
Landon.
red. You can feel that.
Landon has a cold rag on his face.
Are you gonna throw up?
Stop.
Nope. I'm not gonna do it.
She wants you.
Oh, my cheerleader wants me.
Yeah, this is it right here, dude.
Yeah, so Landon currently has a wet towel on his face. He did the mistake of touching his face. Not bad for a 15-year-old though. Like he's hanging in there pretty good.
And I was with Daddy.
So the pepper dehydrated. Didn't have a ton of meat. It was very almost felt like just crunchy.
Piper.
Oh.
No, it's fun.
Oh, okay.
My initial bite into it
What
was
was first, raw or dry?
I gotta say raw.
Come on, I need to take a shower.
I gotta say raw only because you had the heat mixed with like what was happening
Baby was not
in your
that hot.
body.
You were literally crying right now. But your body hurt.
Man, it's really hard to distinguish like which one is hotter.
It's like different hot.
It's definitely a different hot. Like this one, like
It's like a
in my
dry
mouth. Like as soon as I bit into it, it was like a gust of just hot. This one
Yeah.
is just stupid hot.
Yep.
So hotter.
Yeah.
Thank you, baby. So I would say hotter.
They're so hot, right?
Yeah, Daddy's hot.
See, Daddy is
So hot temperature, hot, spicy hot. I'll probably give you give it to the dried one because it's dumb hot. But the raw one was hot, but then like something happened throughout my body that like made me forget that it was so hot. So if you want to hallucinate, eat a raw one. If you want something that's just dumb hot and your heart racing a little bit, definitely the dried one.
Yeah,
How much time do I have left?
and I could say,
2 minutes.
I got 2 minutes left.
Sissy,
I gotta say that the effect
the hot sauce, right?
of the raw one definitely lasted longer because I'm starting to feel solid already. I feel like that I just ate a habanero at this point. Like it's starting to come down to habanero level right
You
now.
never even eat more.
I have 100% eaten a habanero.
When?
I promise you I've eaten a habanero. Want me to eat one right now?
I don't have any.
Alright. Because I would eat one right now.
I didn't say you wouldn't eat it. I just said you never eat
You need
it.
some salsa now.
But so the Zimbabwe burr pepper was supposedly
Oh
equivalent
yeah, I
to
didn't put
it.
those in the salsa.
Oh yeah.
You put them in there?
Yeah. Yeah,
I already
baby.
cleaned everything. You still want them in there? I'll do it.
No, it's fine. You don't have to. I mean, I'll eat those right now. Raw. Give them to me.
Stop. Piper,
So just to show you,
Piper, that's enough.
stop.
just to show you that I can still continue on,
You want some salsa?
I have 3 Zimbabwe peppers. You know what? Hey, let me get the end. Hot sauce. I'll add some into it. Because that's how nuts I am. And that's how, I wouldn't say desperate, but you know what? I need some followers on, some people to subscribe on YouTube.
You're so cheesy.
So, I'm just saying.
Stop, Piper.
I'm just
You need
saying.
to close the door.
So,
Here.
as y'all,
I got it. Stop.
I'm gonna put it on the pepper.
I know. I want you to put the pepper on here.
Hey, I have to eat it off the stem. So, as you guys know in some of my other videos, there's this hot sauce. It's called The End. By far, some of the hottest hot sauce I've ever had in my entire life. I had to sign a waiver for it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Zimbabwe burr pepper and I'm going to put a dab of The End hot sauce on there just to show you how, I guess, hardcore I am or how stupid I am. One or the other is going to take a minute. It's kind of like molasses almost.
Oh my god.
It's gonna get on the table.
I got it. Sorry. Dun dun dun. Waiting. How about I put it on the plate? I'll put it on the plate and I'll. There we go. There's some end for you on the
timer's
plate. My 10 minutes is up. Zimbabwe burr pepper. Dab of The End. Done. Oh, hey, I got 2 more. Eat.
You want milk?
No, I don't.
Doesn't want it.
And Piper just farted on me. Farted on me. That makes for a good video.
Did you chew?
Another one. Even bigger dab. Zimbabwe burr pepper. In the
Mommy,
end.
eat it.
Okay.
Mm,
Are you eating the hot chip?
yeah.
What are you?
The camera's about to fall. And it fell.
I got it. I got it. Here.
Sorry about that, folks.
They got it.
You got it?
Alright.
That is hot.
Last one.
Here,
That's a lot,
here,
Dad.
go.
You get a big dab.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Oh my gosh.
Big o dab.
No, Piper.
Is there more on there?
Yeah.
Oh, look it up.
Kevin!
Big O dab. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, you're nuts.
Totally good. Whew.
Sally said that stuff messed up his tummy when he had it here.
It's hot.
And it's hot.
So, on this challenge, as you guys seen, you see me and Landon take down the dried Carolina Reaper. I ate the raw Carolina Reaper. I chewed it for 30 seconds.
And
I waited 10 minutes. And then on top of that, I ate 3 Zimbabwe burr peppers with The End dab hot sauce on there. It's definitely hot, but I can probably go on for the rest of my day with no milk. Excuse me. So, again, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Please like, please share on Facebook, and please go to my YouTube page, Kevin Rod. Like, subscribe. I can use all the support I can get. All right, peace. Thank you.